Yeah, hi. We're from SVS Embedded. The project title name is OTP based electronic protection system for the exam paper leakage using RFID GSM SMS alert. So in this project we are using Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 development board we are using, and GSM SIM 800C. It is sending the OTP to the SMS alert, and 5 volts power supply module, EM18 RFID module, and RFID card 1 and RFID card 2. One is the wrong card and is the authorized card. One red LED and one green LED, those are connected with 17 and 18. And alarm connected to the 20 pin, and 16 cross 2 LCD display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 4 class 3 keypad connected to the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pin number. HG90 servo motor connected to the 22 pin. So this is total block diagram of the project. And let us coming into the hardware part. We are getting the OTP alert examination box attempted. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts 1 ampere adapter power source. We are using GSM SIM 800C. Press it, the SIM card will come outside. So you can use GSM SIM 800C, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, and GSM 800C, alarm, one green LED and one red LED, and Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 development board we are using, and a reset button, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. EM18 RFID module and 2 RFID cards, and 16 4 cross 3 keypad, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 keypad, and one servo motor, box open close type. So this is electronic examination box, electronic protection system for the exam paper leakage box. Yeah, electronic protection for exam paper leakage, RFID and GSM technology. Place your RFID card. Okay, so first I am going for the wrong card, wrong RFID card, alarm on. Okay, authorized card, RFID card access, green LED on, OTP sent to register mobile, OTP sent to register mobile number 9846 9846. Password correct, box is opening, password correct, exam paper box accessing successfully, box coming to reverse, sending SMS, green LED on. Okay, red LED on. So exam paper box accessing successfully. Now I am going for the RFID card, RFID card access, green LED on, OTP sent to register mobile number, OTP is 7538. I will give you the wrong password, examination box attempted, sending SMS, examination paper box attempted, alert, wrong entry. Now I will go for the wrong entry again, password wrong, exam paper box alert, sending SMS. If I give 3 times, total system will block. Okay, examination paper box attempted. So now I will go for the 7538. Password correct, box is opening, password correct, exam paper box accessing successfully, and it is come back to reverse, sending SMS, alert, and we will receive exam paper box accessing successfully. place RFID card, sending SMS, OTP sent to register mobile number, OTP sent successfully 1267 1268 1268, wrong password 1267. I will go for the 3 attempts, wrong attempts. Sending SMS alert. Exam paper box attempted, wrong password, wrong password. Sending SMS alert, and it will send the SMS alert, attempted wrong. Again I will go for the wrong password, 3 times wrong password. Exam paper box alerted, 3 times wrong password continuous entered. Somebody doing wrong password again and again. Okay, it will give continuous alarm and it will send the SMS alert. Exam paper box, card blocked. So if I go for the same authorized card blocked for 24 hours. Okay, anytime you can access this, it will tell you card blocked for 24 hours. No need to access. Wrong RFID card. Card access for 24 hours. Okay, card blocked for 24 hours. So power supply board, GSM SIM 800C, alarm, green LED, red LED, EMET RFID module, and 4x3 keypad, SG90 servo motor, and a Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 development board, and this is the reset button. Electronic protection for exam paper leakage. Okay, RFID and GSM technology. So there is a same process, and this is our total block diagram of the project. And we got the alert messages. Thank you.